What is Ceviche and Aguachile? I am at Tarraya Seafood Restaurant with Chef Eduardo, learning how to prepare ceviche and aguachile. Let's get to it. The day starts with daily fresh fish, tuna, shrimp, octopus, and also fresh vegetables, fruits, and spices.
This is a fresh fish, so we're gonna use octopus, carrot, onion. We're gonna use purple onion, and also salt, pepper. At this recipe, we're gonna use milk of tiger. So that one has garlic, habanero, and ginger, and also coconut milk. So we're gonna cut all the fish. We need it in a little pieces. So then we're gonna use lime. We don't need too much, just like 3 or 4 limes. So the ceviche is originally from Peru. It's the most popular dish there. So we adopted with different ingredients around the South America. So this recipe is for ours. So we are using salt, pepper, tiger milk, a little of carrot, purple onion, also the octopus. Mix everything. So the sea fresh food is the most popular dishes or coast of Puerto Vallarta and also old Mexico. So we love seafood. Why? Because it's very simple. At home you can use all your ingredients. It's not obligatory use that ingredients. You can use, if you have sweet potato, maybe an apple, you can use fruits. If you don't like onion, put it out. After that, just you need a plate. So you can use, if you like cilantro or coriander, you can use it. It's not, you don't need to, it's optional. Just we're gonna use a little bit. If you like the spicy food, so you can use the habanero. Just use a little bit. It's a little spicy. So just cut in a little slices and put it in the middle. That's the ceviche. We call them Bolivia. It's easy, it's delicious. So you can accompany it with tostadas. That's a blue corn and nopal. We're gonna make a tropical ceviche with tuna. That tuna is catch of the day, so it's so fresh. So at this recipe, we're gonna use strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, pineapple, the orange of the juice of the orange, some limes, salt, pepper, cucumber, and blue onion. So we're gonna start cutting the tuna in cubes. So after that, we're gonna use only the juice of the orange, just a little bit. That ceviche, it's so delicious. It's so easy, so you can make it at home. So that's oil of peanut oil. So if you don't have a lot of that ingredients, you don't need it. Just use your preferred fruit. Maybe you like apple, you can use apple, you can use watermelon. So the idea of ceviche is you can share with your family, with your friends. So it's so easy. You don't need a lot of ingredients. Maybe you don't like tuna, you can use shrimp, maybe octopus or fish. So that's the strawberry. Mix everything. I'm gonna put it on another 2 berries. So that ceviche, it's a little sweet, but different, with a flavor different. So you can use maybe, if you like spicy food, maybe a serrano, or you can use a salsa macha. So we made it, some of them here at the restaurant. So we have that salsa macha. That we made it with habanero, dry habanero. So it's a little spicy, but the flavor is very different. So we love it. We love it. We love the spicy food. So we're gonna use only 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix everything. Also, you need to taste it, so it's very good. Put it all on the plate. So you can eat that ceviche with tostada. So that's the cucumber. It's a rolling of cucumber. More blueberry. And this is it. That's a tropical ceviche with tuna. We're gonna, at this recipe, we're gonna make a traditional aguachile. That's a traditional aguachile from Sinaloa. So the most famous of Sinaloa is the chiltepin. It's very, very spicy, but it's so tasty. So it's different, but if you don't have that one, don't worry. You can use serrano or maybe habanero. So the flavor is very, very good. For this recipe, we're gonna use shrimp. So you need to cut at the middle like a butterfly. So now we're gonna need the lime. You don't need to use too much, just like 3, 4. That is very good. So we're gonna use purple onion. Just put it on a little bit, and also the cucumber. But the cucumber we're gonna use at the end. So we're gonna make the tostada. We're gonna put it on everything. Also we have aguacate. So who don't like aguacate? So everybody likes aguacate. If you don't like it, you don't need it. Also we have octopus. We're gonna put it on a little bit. So just cut a little slices. And here we have a molcajete. That's a tiny molcajete. So we don't need nothing, just chili, the red chili and salt. And also you need a little of lime. And wow, we call them Mexican blender. So just trash it like that. It's a little space. Just like that. And put it on. If you like spicy food, put it on everything. Just mix everything. A little more salt. That aguachile is the most popular of Sinaloa. So we adopted of different ceviches or aguachiles here in Mexico because we love it. We love the seafood, fresh seafood. The flavor, it's amazing. So if you want more spicy, just put it on a little of serrano. This is it. It's very simple, very easy. Just we have a blue corn tostada. We're gonna use the cucumber. Like that. And then the trim. Also the octopus, the onion, so you're gonna find all the flavor here: salt, lime, chili, trim, octopus. So the idea of aguachile is if you have a hangover, or if you want to taste the spicy food, that's a very good option. Just put everything inside the tostada, just like that. I'm gonna use the green serrano. We have another octopus here, just like that. That's the tostada, and we're gonna use the avocado. Yes, put it on the middle. Put it right here. Oops, sorry. That's of aguachile with trim, octopus, and chiltepin. So now we're gonna make the tostada of sashimi. That's tuna, it's very fresh. So just you need tuna, black sauces, soya, cucumber, purple onion, avocado, serrano, lime, peanut oil. that's everything. That's all you need to make that recipe of sashimi of tuna. So it's very simple, it's very tasty, so it's very good. Just cut the tuna in little slices. So we're gonna make a tostada. So we have here a tostada of nopal. So we are in Mexico, so we love nopal. We use nopal in everything. So now we have the avocado. Just put it in the bag. Now we're gonna use the cucumber. Purple onion and all the tuna. Just put it on. You need to put the lime with you need to mix it, the lime with the black sauces. Just with 2 limes, it's very good. Serrano. After that, you just put it all the sauce, the sashimi. So it's very simple, it's very tasty, and you can make your own sashimi at home. So you don't need a lot of ingredients, just the tuna, cucumber, the onion, and the black sauces. Then this is it.
Come and taste Tarraya Ceviche and Aguachile, located at San Salvador 329 Centro, Puerto Vallarta.